top of Braille Trail, last one of today. I am stoked and ready to ride. Alright, here we go. A little scared. Put myself on Braille. First jump.
Wake up in the morning with stress beating the brain. Problems clouding my mind about ways to maintain cash flow, cause now the family got a nigga handling responsibilities. And my son is getting much older, jacket hugging his shoulders. Parents is getting young, shit gotta get done. Should I rob or steal? Commit hits to drug deals, start extorting motherfuckers that just flex the skills. So I inhale the sex, take a deep breath, hold the smoke up in the chest just to relieve stress. My mom be playing tricks over niggas and chicks. Another day there's other ways to get caught up in the mix. With my back against the wall, kid, it's hard to stand tall because stress be knocking me back with strong niggas never fall. I used to live life do or die, fuck a suit and tie. Then I got knocked and almost hit with a 2 to 5. The crime stay on the dome, so I manifest ways for me and my niggas to handle stress-filled days.
Cause they don't know about the stress-filled days. They don't know about the stress-filled days. Cause they don't know about the stress-filled days. Cause they don't know about the stress-filled days. They don't know about the stress-filled days. They don't know about the stress-filled days. The stress-filled days.
I take my life 24 hours at a time. Every fucking day like the last. The outcast possessing a supreme mind. Living off what the streets feed me. Dissect and digest and manifest to the best of my ABILITY. Still I can't deny stress works. My main vein making it harder to maintain. Catching flack from my jack. Then my sister's always on my back. To top it off, my grand old E. Marie don't give me no slack. To them I'm just a low down and worthless piece of shit. But what have I done to deserve this negative criticism? So I perfism to dozen verbal strays like myself in the lab. Start peeling off rhymes like scabs that they still beef. Nigga, go get yourself a job. And my reply, I'm sick of looking now, I'm ready to start robbing shit in Brooklyn. Almost at the point of no return. Should I play my cards right or should I get the burns? Only time will tell, so I guess I'll dwell in this fucked up hell and let my mental excel. Avoid the devil's nasty fibs, go head on with the trials and tribulations. Cause ain't no telling tomorrow what I'm facing when I'm stressed.
They don't know about the stress-filled days. 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 Stress-filled days.
Yo, the cess relieves the stress that's in my brain cells. They say that crime don't pay, but I say it pays well. I raise hell when it's dark, walking through the park. Somebody let their glance bark. I saw the spark, I saw the flame from the barrel. Fell on the floor, felt the pain in my bone marrow. But I didn't flinch, ducked behind the bench. Started busting back, but missed him by an inch. He bounced down the lane, I jumped up in pain. A hole in my arm and my clothes is crazy blood stain. I'm ass out, bleeding so fast I'm about to pass out. On my way to Tank House, I felt on the porch, they called the paramedics. Somebody said it,
yo, Tank, your man's dead.
the rumor spread it, and everybody heard about it. People talking low.
Hey, yo, word life, that nigga murdered God.
Stress. But they don't know about the stress-filled days. The stress-filled days. They don't know about the stress-filled days. The stress-filled days. They don't know about the stress-filled days. They don't know about the stress-filled days. The stress-filled days.
That was a micro crash. I think I'm good. Oh.
justice. I'm in a vacant room, my hands are cuffed it. Rushed it by 2 cops, snuff, my lip is busted. Cusses, they ring out, I doubt these situations. An oversized man plans to scam for information. Infiltration, stale breath reeks like coffee. Sticks to me like toffee, I tell that pig get off of me. Drilling me about last night, I hold back, cause I grew in back streets. That's why I silence all facts. Says you watching my back, gonna ring me up on something. Frontin', releases, can't bring me up on nothing. You see, I live my life hanging on the edge of sin. My friends are worth $1 million, have a meaningless flings. Here's what drama brings as I was walking to. People say your mates is dead, ask it was it you? All respect is due, swing up who ain't leaking. Propaganda's peaking, amazing freaking. Rainy shells from hell to let the gun do the speaking. Body hits cement once I hear the tires screeching. Thinking to myself it's gonna be a the weekend. Run, feel the devil coming down like a ton. Test of a righteous son, no fun. Plus I didn't blaze Johnny / Maze, don't even own a gun. Can't even tell it was the Lady Bell. Angel with tears in hell, destruction of a function, show they for real. Imagine how I feel hanging out, guilty, the word about, caught up in the alley and the way they shout like
just a day in your life, just a day in your life.
Well, that's that. At the base of Braille, after riding Cusacks, Bacon, Ridge, to Saw Pit, back up to the top to Flow, and then back up to Braille. So that's a full demo. I'm about to pedal on out of here. Well, that's it. Full day demo done. Bye, Mom.
Lost angels.
Just a day in your life.
We live in lost.
Just a day in your life.
I'm talking about the lost angels.
Just a day in the
Yo,
life.
we live in lost.
Just a day in the life.
I'm talking about the lost angels.
Just a day
and the way we live in lost.
Just a day in the life.
It's all about the lost angels.
Just a day.
And the way we live in lost.
Just a day in your life.
I see the flickers of a street light illuminates the streets of Babylonia. Days and nights regarded soldier. See the shadows of a soldier consuming nails wrapped up in a Cuban. Smells death from every angle. Faith is hardened like a tortured angel. See him pacing, frustration like the devil's chasing. L's embracing, thinking of the time he's wasting. Look across, see your life is lost from the heat. A mangled body, stains of murder splattered on the street. It's like scenarios you people doesn't matter. Sons killed, try to make a build, others get battered. Dreams get shattered, and as I watched that cry, I realized it was my next of kin that was lost. Explaining to his friends how the gun just went off. I puffed L's cough, take some glances. What's the chances? Saw the in the club doing the latest dances. No escape from the street, life is murder. Salvation keeps getting further. Just a day in the life. Now 1, 2.
Just a day in the life. Just a day in the life.
I'm talking about the lost angels.
Just a day.
And the way we live in lost.
Just a day in the life.
It's all about the lost angels.
Just a day in the life.
We live in lost.
Just a day in the life.
I talk about the lost angels.
Living lost.
And the way we live in lost.
In the life, in the life.
Yo, I see the lost angels.
Just a day.
And the way we live in lost.
Living lost in the life.
It's all about lost angels.
Living lost in the life here.
Yo, we live in lost.
Just a day in the life.
I talk about lost angels.
Living lost.
And the way we live in lost.
Just a day in the life.
Yo, I'm a lost angel.
Lost in the life.
Watch the way I'm living lost.
In the lost in the life.
I talk about lost angels.
Lost in the life.
And the way we live in lost.
Living lost.
One time.